Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use redeem points in Pandabuy, right? So first of all, just go to the Google and open Pandabuy. Now you will get the first link of the website. Just click on this and after a few seconds, it will get open. So if you're opening for the first time, then make sure you have to log in into your account. On the top right side corner, you can see this green icon. Just click over there and just go and sign in. After sign in, you will get this many options. So first of all, just click on the user center, right? Let me zoom it and I will show you. Click on the user center and you will get this kind of interface. Now here you can see this is your account. Here it's a profile, your balance, Panda points, coupon and growth value, right? If you're new, then it will show 0. First of all, you have to earn the points, right? Then once you have earned the points, you can just spend it. Now here on the left side, you will find so many options. Just here you can see my points. Below wallet, just go to my points and you will see here redeem details. Now my points are 0, so I don't think I can redeem this, but you can see points redemption this month, that is around 5 lakh. So you can just, once a point is available here, click on redeem item, and after that you will get a code, and you can, once you enter the code, you will be able to redeem with the points, right? So this is super easy to do it. Make sure you follow this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.